Time balance method, acupuncture, part 3, imaging systems on non-similar parts, and head, imaging face on the hand or leg. Okay, number 1. In the straight imaging system for the complete leg, which anatomical structure of the leg corresponds to the hip in the head-body diagram?
Hip.
According to the reverse imaging system for the complete leg, the pelvis of the head-body diagram is represented by which part of the leg?
Hip. Number 1.
In the straight imaging system for the lower leg only, which leg segment is used to represent the chest, upper back, upper abdomen?
The upper calf shin.
In reverse imaging of the lower leg, which part of the leg represents the upper back chest?
The lower calf shin.
When imaging the
Number 2.
face onto the complete hand, the middle of the nose aligns with which anatomical landmark?
The elbow.
In the hand face imaging scheme, which portion of the back arm corresponds to the first level of the face?
Top half of back arm. Number 2.
Okay.
Number 2.
According to the leg face correspondence, the fourth level of the face is represented by which segment?
Bottom half of lower leg to ankle.
In straight imaging of the complete leg, which leg part corresponds to the navel of the body diagram?
Knee.
Within the reverse imaging system for the complete leg, the head is represented by which structure?
Hands or legs. Hands or legs.
No. Number 9. Within the
Number
reverse
9.
imaging, yeah.
Sorry. The answer is foot. Sorry.
Unbalanced method emphasizes using imaging to treat problems on which body parts?
Number 3. Hands or legs.
Which two head-body regions share the same leg representation in both straight and reverse imaging?
Navel and lower abdomen.
Which of the following is not listed as a step in Dr. Tan's 3-step curing process?
Performing cupping therapy.
The 6 techniques created by Dr. Tan is for which specific purpose?
Selecting meridians to treat.
In the reverse imaging system for the complete leg, which leg part corresponds to the neck and shoulder of the body diagram?
Ankle.
The lower abdomen and lower back in the straight imaging of the complete leg is represented by which anatomical region?
In calf.
Which imaging system, straight or reverse, maps the hip of the head-body diagram to the ankle of the leg?
Reverse imaging. Reverse imaging.
In the lower leg straight imaging, which leg segment is assigned to the pelvis?
Foot.
Suchok uses imaging of the head to hip on which body part?
The fingers.
Which level of the face, when divided into 4, includes the area from the middle of the nose to the upper lip?
The third level.
In the hand face imaging, the bottom half of the forearm up to the wrist corresponds to which facial level?
Fourth level.
The head can be represented on the hand by which specific area in the straight imaging system?
Top half of back arm.
In reverse imaging of the complete leg, which part of the leg is used to represent the chest and upper abdomen?
Number 1, calf shin.
When treating only the face using imaging on a complete leg, the middle of the nose aligns with which lower leg landmark?
Knee.
The term time balance system in the past most directly refers to
A method of channel identification and meridian selection.
which joint flexibility analogy is used to argue for possible reverse imaging of the neck onto the wrist.
Wrist to neck.
The second level of the face corresponds to which hand region in the imaging scheme?
Bottom half of back arm.
Which of the following is a possible method to locate needling points after imaging?
Calculating for proportional distance from anatomical landmarks.
The imaging concepts are not limited to the presented options. Which traditional modality is cited as an example of alternative imaging?
Tudyok,
In the straight imaging system for the complete leg, which part of the leg represents the hip of the body diagram?
angkol,
Which of the following best describes the relationship between mirrors and imaging techniques?
uh, mirrors are one of the tools used in imaging studies.
In the reverse imaging of the lower leg, which leg area corresponds to the lower back abdomen? Hello. 31.
Upper calf shin.
The first level of the face when mapped onto the thigh
1.
corresponds to which portion of the thigh?
Number 2, top half of upper leg.
Which of the following is not one of the 6 techniques created by Dr. Tan for selecting meridians?
Number 1, analyzing pulse wave.
In the straight imaging system for the complete leg, the pelvis of the body diagram is represented by which foot part?
Number 3, entire foot.
The head can be imaged onto which part of the leg in the straight system, and only the lower leg is considered.
Number 1, knee.
Which imaging system, straight or reverse, uses the foot to represent the head in the complete leg diagram?
Number 2, reverse imaging.
The wrist could represent the neck based on what property?
Number 2, flexibility, similarity.
In the hand face imaging, which part of the forearm corresponds to the third level of the face?
Uh, Number 1, top half of forearm.
The lower abdomen and lower back in the reverse imaging of the complete leg is mapped to which leg segment?
Number 1, the thigh.
Which of the following best captures the purpose of dividing the face into 4 equal levels in the imaging method?
Number 2, to align with 4 guardians of the hands or leg.
When using reverse imaging on the lower leg, the pelvis is represented by which anatomical landmark?
Number 1, the knee.
Imaging can be further explored depending on what factor?
Similarity of body structures.
Which step
Number 2.
Which step in Dr. Tan's 3-step process explicitly requires identification of ASHI points?
Number 3, step 3.
In straight imaging of the lower leg, which segment is assigned to the waist?
The ankle, number 1.
Which of these structures is treated on the corresponding meridian, not the deceased meridian?
Needling points.
Which imaging system maps the hip of the body diagram to the ankle of the leg?
Straight imaging,
If a
number
point
1.
is tender, the practitioner should
Use imaging to locate a professional point.
Which term best describes the relationship between the head and hip when imaged onto a complete arm?
Homologous mapping, number
Which
1.
of the following is the reason the author gives for trying reverse imaging when standard imaging fails?
Flexibility of joints allowing analogous representation.
The upper abdomen in straight imaging of the complete leg is represented by which part?
Number 1, high.
Which part of the hand is not used in the 4-level face mapping?
Uh, Ham tape, number 1.
In reverse imaging of the complete leg, the chest and upper abdomen corresponds to which anatomical region?
Number 1, the calf shin.
The imaging concepts can be expanded beyond listed options. Which of the following would be a logical extension based on the text principles?
Ima imaging imaging head to hip on individual fingers.
In the straight imaging system for the complete leg, which segment is used to represent the pelvis?
Number 3, the foot.
Wow, congratulations. Thank
Pasar
you.
yun.